Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa cereal. First, understand that quinoa is a fantastic base for a healthy breakfast. It's a complete protein, naturally gluten-free, and packed with fiber. Preparing it as a cereal is surprisingly simple and quick, making it perfect for busy mornings. You can easily customize its flavor with your favorite fruits and spices. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of dry quinoa and 1 cup of your preferred liquid, such as water, milk, or a plant-based alternative. Don't forget any optional additions like fresh fruit, nuts, or a touch of sweetener. A crucial first step is to rinse your quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any natural bitterness. Now, let's cook it. Combine your rinsed quinoa and the 1 cup of liquid in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The quinoa is ready when all the liquid is absorbed. Finally, fluff it gently with a fork. The best part about quinoa cereal is customizing it. Once cooked, stir in fresh or frozen berries for a burst of natural sweetness. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg adds a lovely warm spice. For extra texture and protein, top your bowl with chopped nuts or seeds. If you prefer it sweeter, a drizzle of maple syrup or honey is a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.